Hi friends, so today we are going to be talking about the steps of assembling a trumpet and just some pointers on beginner trumpet. Okay, so the first thing is what you want to do is you want to take your trumpet case and you want to put it flat on the surface, and the way that you know that the trumpet is the correct way is where these, depending on the case, and every case is going to look like this. And to open the case, you just want to open up the latches, as so. Sorry. Okay. And then you have your trumpet. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble your trumpet. So the first thing you need to do is get your mouthpiece. And this is what your mouthpiece looks like. And then you want to get your horn, which is the trumpet. So you want to grab your trumpet and you want to put your mouthpiece inside of here. And what you don't want to do is take your mouthpiece and smack it into the horn like this. You just want to take it and place it gently inside, and you should be fine. So the next thing we're going to talk about is just some things about like rest position and for the trumpet. So I'm just going to sit down. I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, so I'm sitting down, and what you want to do is you want to take your horn, the horn of the trumpet, the bell of the trumpet, and place it on your lap. And you don't want to take your trumpet and make it flat, because what can happen is you can drop the mouthpiece. So every time you're in rest position, just take the mouthpiece, either put it in your case or put it in your pocket. And yeah, so yeah, thank you.
Okay, so I'm Jill. I'm going to be talking about how to hold your trumpet. So first things first, take your left hand and kind of like Spider-Man, make like a Spider-Man hand. With your left hand, kind of take your middle and your ring finger and kind of wrap them around the third valve, which is right here. And then take your thumb, and it's going to rest in this hook right here. And your index finger is just going to rest against the trumpet right here. And then your ring finger is just going to rest inside of this ring. With your right hand, kind of raise it and then drop it into a zombie claw. Make sure that your hand is relaxed. Then just simply take your thumb and rest it on this tubing right here. Your index, middle, and ring finger all rest on the keys right here, with the pads of your fingers flat against the keys, and your pinky finger is going to go inside of this loop right here. So it should look something like this. And that's the basics of how to hold your trumpet, and you want to make sure that you keep good posture and that your shoulders are back and your feet are flat on the floor, and you have good hand position with little to no stress and strain in your hands.
Hello, I'm Rory, and I'm going to show you some other care for the trumpet. So, as you can see, we have these valves. They are numbered right here. You can see this says 1, this is 2, and this says 3. So, it's very important to have these valves because that's how you make the notes. But, as you see, they go down like this. And you want them to be very lubricated because you don't want them to get stuck. So, you can oil them by putting your trumpet down like this and putting the oil in these little holes, just a little bit. If they're really stuck, you can take them out of the horn by taking this and unscrewing it. It's gonna take a second. So you unscrew this part and boom. And as you can see, there's like little holes, and it's also labeled 1, I don't know if you can see that well, but it has a little one. So then when you put it back, you want to line it up a little bit. It's like a puzzle piece because you want the air to go through the vibrations. So you put it back like this, and then you screw it back in. Oh. We're all beginners here. Give me 1 second, please. Why is it? Okay, there it goes. No. Okay, let me take it out and try again because it's clearly not working like that. So again, line it up. Perfect. See, sometimes you just need a second try, and that is okay. And then, so once that's screwed in, you can play it again. There's not a good noise coming out. So what do? We lock it with this key, and then you spin it, you spin this till you hear a little click, and then it should make a noise. Perfect. So, and another thing, these little valves you can take apart, but when you pull them out, make sure you push down the key it's attached to. So this is one, and this is one. You press this down, pull it out. 2, 2, 3, 3. So yeah, that is the basics of the trumpet. Thank you.